Alright, ladies and gentlemen, cooks, mechanics, whatever. Everybody's familiar with these paper towel holders, whether it's horizontal like this or standing vertical. I want to show you a little trick, but first, it always seems like you got something in your hand and you've only got one hand free and you just need one paper towel. But sometimes you're in a hurry and you just need one, and then you have several come off, which I lucked out that time. Not many came off with it. A lot of times what happens if you pull it, this is hanging down in your way. Let me show you a little trick. This is a PSA sanding disc, pressure sensitive adhesive. The only problem is it's not permanent. They're just temporary. So what you do, they come in round discs like this, so you have to cut it out. Stick it on your paper towel holder on the side that you pull from. Just get you some blue painter's tape or masking tape, whatever. Don't worry about it, it's hidden most of the time anyway. Or you can just get you like a stapler or small nails, whatever, something just to kind of, if you use a staple, you just need to put one staple in it. I mean, I'll let you be the judge of that. Well, anyway, that's all there is to it. Now, if you want one towel, well, let me roll this thing up where it's supposed to be. Now, you don't have to yank on it. And that's all there is to it. If you need a bunch, just roll it off however many you need and then pull on it. I don't want to do it because I don't want to waste all these. But where I thought I was going to get into trouble was when they start getting down to the end. So here's one, it's just got a few left on it. Pull it off. You saw how slow I pull that off. Okay, and then we get one that's only got 3 or 4 on there. Of course, it's getting so lightweight now. Now the tearing part's not my problem. Anyway, you just get one. So that's all you need. Okay, the same thing if you've got it vertical. The only difference here is you've got to have some weight on top. And it doesn't take a lot, just something. I mean, heck, just a block of wood, drill a hole in it. Just put it on top. That's all you need. Or you can go down and be creative and get you a bunch of washers. Throw them on top. Now if you just want one, let's say you want 2 towels, you want to pull up. So you can pull, you know, as many as you want. Well, maybe you got maybe don't put so many washers on there. Let's just try 2. I've got so many paper towels on my desk now. Alright. Yeah, that's all you need. Pull as much as you need, or if you just need one, pull off. This is the big sheets. And that's it. Alright, well, have fun.